Hello and welcome to my channel Travel for Life, and in this video I am going to tell you some tips and tricks so that you can book your flight at much cheaper price. Okay, what if I say if you can book your flight for Paris for just £10 or maybe just $12, or if you are looking for INR just 1000 rupees. So there are a lot of tips and tricks are available. So I will show you a few websites are available which will give you and some ideas which will give you some much cheaper price, especially for Europe if you are traveling from one destination to another destination. Okay, so what if I say a 2.5 hours flight costing you just £15 or maybe 18 to $20? So that's really cool, right? And that is also a direct flight. It's not like a hopping flight, it's direct flight and costing just 15 to £20. So just you need to follow these quick hacks and it will be really helpful. So just a small disclaimer I can give, like these flights will be mostly hand baggage flights, and I will show you one by one in the website, like how which website you should follow and what you need to search so that you can get a much cheaper price. Okay, so now first you need to search a website called kiwi.com. Okay, so this website will give you cheapest flight. Okay, so what you have to do, uh, I will show you one example. So you, instead of selecting a city, just select a country, for example United Kingdom. Okay, and suppose you have to go to Italy, so I will give Italy. Okay, and for example now I will select one way for now to show you the example. Select a date, any date, and you can see in the lookup also they will show the cheapest price. So this also you can view. Okay, for example let's select, I'm selecting 5 September. Okay, and set the date and click on search. So once you click on search, you can see that different cities in Italy have different price from United Kingdom. So for example, let's say this is Milan. Okay, so first what you can do, you just click on this link. Okay, so it will show you the direct flight from London to Milan. Okay, so that cost only £13, 13 pound. Okay, so this is much cheaper. So for example, okay, if you want to go directly, like if you search any other site like booking.com or somewhere, and if you look for only the city's name, so if I'm looking for a city, for example Birmingham, or instead, yeah, Birmingham, and I have to go to Milan. Milan and date, like I will select the same date, for example 5th of September. So here you have seen it's £13. Okay, from London. So from Birmingham, London is like £6 to £7 if you go by a bus. If you go by a train, it's like 15 to £20. So you can see how different it is. So this is £13, and now from booking.com, here you can see it is a direct flight from Ryanair, that is £57. So that's the difference. So this is the minimum one. If you see the Swissair 116 and all, but here if you go from London, it is just £13. Okay, so this is the difference. I will show you one more difference, and after this, suppose if you have to go to Rome, okay, from here, so you can after searching this flight one in kiwi.com, you can search for another website called omio.co.uk, and here you can search the city name from where to where you want to go. Suppose you want to go to Milan, so I will give Milan, Italy to Rome. Okay, and you can give the date. Suppose I will give the same date for now, so 5th of September. Click on search. You will see all three options. Okay, the locally, if you have to travel, trains, bus and flights. So trains, you can see the minimum time is taking 3 hours, 4 hours almost, and it is £27. So can you see the difference? It's much cheaper. Okay, and if you go by bus, it is £17. But if you directly look from Birmingham to suppose Rome, so you can see the price. Can you see the price? This is with one transfer you are getting for £90. But if you go via this, it is like £13 here, and via a bus or something, by a train, it's like £20. So or in £40 you can reach from London to, or maybe from Birmingham to Rome with just £40. But if you go directly, it is like £100 almost. So that's the difference. You need to think about it. So this is the two websites. I've given you two example. I can show one more example if you want. So maybe I will show you from United Kingdom to Paris. So United Kingdom, and if you want just France, just select France. Date you can just give any. Here is the lookup, you can see the price. So suppose I will give any date, let's say 9th August. Okay, so this is the £12 tickets you can see. So if I scroll down, you can see different cities in France. Just like Paris is just £12, Nice is just £26. So just click on this Paris, and you can see the cheapest flight from Leeds. It is just £12 from Leeds to Paris. This is outer of Paris, this airport, just like 1 hour from bus you can reach to the Paris city center. This is just £12. But if you directly go to Paris from Birmingham or any other city, it costs around 80 to £100. So that's the difference, you can think about it. So that's all about booking your travel for cheaper travel, especially if you are looking for a Europe travel. So this is a very good website, you can use of it. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching my video, and keep like, share and subscribe my channel Travel for Life, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye. Thank you very much.